Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to use the Uber app to book a ride. So first, open the Uber app and sign in to your account. After that, enter your destination in the where to field. Then check the pickup location and adjust the PIN if necessary. After that, choose the ride option you want. Then review the estimated fare, payment method, and pickup information. And once everything looks correct, tap the button to request your ride. You can then follow the driver's location through the app and receive updates about your trip. So that was how to book a ride using Uber. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.